Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set any song as custom ringtone on Samsung M35 device. Well, setting any song as a custom ringtone allows you to express your creativity and musical preferences. You can choose from a wide range of songs, genres, and styles to create a unique and personalized ringtone that reflect your creativity and musical taste. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin customizing your device ringtone, access the settings menu on your device. So here, select the sounds and vibration, then enter to the ringtone menu. Okay, within this page, tap on the plus icon at the corner. So choose a music file from your device and click done to confirm the selection. Well, once you have added the music as your ringtone, you can select it from the list of available ringtone in the settings. Okay, personalizing your device ringtone with your favorite music adds a touch of individuality and allows you to customize the sound of incoming calls according to your needs. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set any song as custom ringtone on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.